Noise cancelling headphones are actually getting a lot of attention, and they are the most higher end price product in the lineup of any headphones by any major company that's producing high quality headphones. Now, there's two things to this type of an headphone, and here's what you should know for safe listening. First up, how does this technology even work? Noise cancelling headphones work by adding a inverse sound wave of the existing sound wave. By combining these two sound waves, they're able to eliminate the sound and create this silence. This tech was actually developed by Dr. Amar Bose back in the 1978. So Dr. Amar Bose found it really difficult to enjoy his music and relax in his flight back from Europe because of the engine noise, and he wanted to come up with a technology that was able to cancel this noise and immerse him within his musical world. Now, it took them about a decade to come up with the technology, and they came up with the first Bose headphones that had noise cancelling technology. The Bose Quiet Comfort 352 was then introduced to the market with this technology, and it just became the talk of the town. Now, here's another downside to wearing over-ear headphones for prolonged period. There have been several cases that are reported where people have lost their sense of hearing due to listening to music for prolonged periods. So the World Health Organization also recommends listening to music at up to 60% of its maximum volume. If you're listening to more than 90 minutes, it's recommended to take off the headphones and stay away for a while, or allow air to breathe in through your ears for the meantime. If you found this useful, share it. See you in the next one.